Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have another box card for you. This is my Witches Brew box card. I love that witch there in the center. She's mixing up her little potion. You had this little zombie here in the front walking through the graveyard. Some creepy crawly trees there in the back, and then of course there's the moon and the bats in the very background. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course there's an envelope as well. Now this card is such a fun one to make. I love the little scene that it makes and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2024. If you're watching this during the event, head to the event page and find the download there. If you're watching this through the VIP Access Pass, you can find the download button below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has finished up, you can head to my shop to purchase the individual cut file at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Or if you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, you can find out more information at thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2024. I have links in the description box for you to check them out. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure you download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, for the inside tab piece, click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I've gotten everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines of our outside box piece. just like so. I will set that to the side for just a moment. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel as well as attach our back cover panel. So you're going to start with the larger of the white pieces, then the matte layer, and then the smaller of the white pieces. All right, just like so. Now let's go ahead and flip the outside box piece over, and we're going to attach the messaging panel to the back of the card. And now we have that all set to go. Let's set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer our inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the dark purple layer with the trees, then the tab piece, that's the green smoke, and then the black piece with the witch. I'm going to first fold and burnish along the score lines on the tab piece. And now I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together. I'll speed up the video just a little bit and show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. Alright, there is our inside tab piece. I'll set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our front cover panel. So that's going to be the black piece and then the blue piece with the skeleton. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab right here. And then attach it to the left side of the outside box piece. I'm going to make sure to line up the edges and follow along this left score line right here. That looks good. And now I'll add glue to this right tab and fold the box piece over. And now I'm going to fold the card both ways to make sure that everything is sitting properly. Just like so. I'll fold the card flat to the left and add glue to this left front tab. Grab the front cover panel, attach that left side. Again, I'm going to make sure to line up the edges. Fold that back. I'm going to add glue to the right tab and fold the front cover panel back and press. Go ahead and fold the card both ways. And there is our box card. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can dry. Now let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. I'm going to recommend that you take the card and place it inside the envelope. You can see that I've given you more than enough room. Depending on the thickness of your card, you'll have more than enough room to fit it inside. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this one? I really love that scene. The witch is so cool and creepy, and the little zombie that's walking through the graveyard is kind of creepy too. I love it. I hope that you like it too. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for me. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye-bye.